You've been lied to. For decades, we've been told beans are the ultimate health food, a musical fruit, right? But here's the brutal truth no one tells you. Once you pass 60, your digestion changes, your enzymes drop, and about 90% of the beans in the grocery store, they are loaded with compounds that trigger inflammation, wreck your gut, and actually speed up aging. I'm talking about joint pain, brain fog, and nutritional starvation. You could be eating a bowl of healthy stew, but your body is fighting a war inside. Today, we are fixing that. I'm going to show you the 4 beans you need to toss in the trash and the 4 you need to start eating today to feel 10 years younger. Let's get right to it. The no-go list. Number 4, kidney beans. These look innocent. They're everywhere. Chili, salads, you name it. But for a senior gut, they're a punch in the stomach. Kidney beans contain a toxic lectin called PHA. If they aren't cooked perfectly, they're poisonous, literally. But even cooked, they're rough. I had a patient, Ethel. She loved her 3-bean salad, but she was bloated every single afternoon. She thought it was just getting old. No, it was the beans. We cut them out, bloating gone in 3 days. If you have a sensitive stomach, skip the kidney beans. They aren't worth the pain. Number 3, baked beans. Okay, let's be real. This isn't a vegetable, it's candy. Commercial baked beans are swimming in brown sugar, molasses, and syrups. You eat this and your insulin spikes like you just ate a donut. A British study showed seniors eating these regularly had way higher risks of insulin resistance. You want belly fat? Eat canned baked beans. You want to live longer? Leave them on the shelf. Number 2, soybeans. Now, this one is controversial. People think soy is a superfood, but here's the catch. Soy contains isoflavones that mimic estrogen. When you're young, fine. When you're over 60 and your hormones are already shifting, not great. It can mess with your thyroid, and a slow thyroid means you get tired, you gain weight, and your muscles get weak. I've seen men and women cut out processed soy and suddenly their energy comes roaring back. Don't let marketing fool you. Number 1, fava beans. This is the hidden danger. Fava beans have a compound called vicin. For many seniors, especially those with a specific enzyme deficiency you might not know you have, this stuff destroys red blood cells. It causes anemia, it makes you tired, it strains your heart. I knew a guy, George, health nut, ate fava beans all the time. He was constantly out of breath. He stopped the beans and his oxygen levels stabilized. Why take the risk? Okay, take a breath. It's not all bad news. There are beans that are absolute rocket fuel for your body. These next 4, eat them, love them. Number 4, black beans. These are the kings of antioxidants. See that dark skin? That's anthocyanin. It fights brain aging and keeps your arteries flexible. Plus, they're easier to digest. A study showed just 1 serving a day improved muscle endurance in seniors. You want to walk further without your legs getting heavy? Eat black beans. Number 3, black soybeans. Wait, didn't I just say no to soy? Regular soy, yes. Black soybeans are different. They have way less of the hormone-disrupting stuff and way more antioxidants. They're amazing for kidney health and won't mess up your thyroid. It's the safe way to get that protein. Number 2, lima beans. Grandma was right. These are also called butter beans. They're high in a mineral called molybdenum. Hard to say, great for you. It helps your liver detoxify sulfites. It cleans you out. I had a patient, Janice, with swollen ankles. She started eating lima beans for the potassium and magnesium. The swelling went down. Her circulation improved. They are gentle, creamy, and healing. Number 1, azuki beans. This is the secret weapon. They use these in Japan where people live to be 100. They're tiny, red, and powerful. They strengthen the heart and improve vascular flexibility. That means better blood flow to your brain and legs. Mr. Sato, a patient of mine, 83 years old, still walks 5 miles a day. He eats azuki beans with rice. They keep his heart rhythm steady and his energy high. Listen, aging is inevitable. Feeling old is a choice. Swap the bad beans for the good ones. Your gut, your heart, and your energy will thank you. Which one are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. I read them all. Stay healthy, stay strong. See you in the next video.